Are Whirlpool dishwashers good? I need a new dishwasher.
They aren't bad. Why ask about Whirlpool brand in particular?
I'd like to get a brand with a classic design and reputation for quality, but have heard the quality has gone down over time.
Whirlpool dishwashers scored in the middle of the pack in the 2014 Consumer Reports.
There are different Whirlpool models and versions.
The best model, WDF 735 PABB, got a score of 78. It is also one of the cheaper washers on their list.
Whirlpool is a lot cheaper than brands like Bosch and Viking.
The top-scoring Whirlpool dishwasher was not recommended by Consumer Reports. Several Bosch and Kitchenaid units were recommended.
I'd love to get their best buy or top choice or whatever they call the best deal for the money and quality.
The CR Best Buy was a Bosch.
I think they picked a brand name that rhymes with posh to sound like a premium brand. I can only afford mid-range brands like Whirlpool Gold.
The higher-end Whirlpool Gold washer was middle of the pack, 48 out of about 100 washers. It was one of the more affordable ones at $700.
There is a cheaper Whirlpool Gold model.
The $400 one is in the bottom third of the Consumer Reports ratings.
While we heard that you don't always get higher quality with a higher price, it sounds like that's the case with dishwasher models.
That's the case with Whirlpool's dishwashers too. Their cheapest $350 model was in the lowest 5%.
Did they say not to buy it?
No, Fagor got that honor. Consumer Reports warns you that Fagor outright drenched their floor.
At least that was an easy failure report to write.
If you are dead set on getting a Whirlpool washer, get the more expensive models. They score higher in the Consumer Reports ratings.